From its humble beginnings as an electrical repair shop for a copper mining company in 1910, Hitachi has grown into one of the largest companies in the world, with its air conditioning division being revered for its consistent commitment to quality. Hitachi Air Conditioning Europe's motto is "Engineering for tomorrow and after that," a sentiment which can be found in each of the company's air conditioners, heat pumps and control systems. Their inventory encompasses hundreds of AC products for home and business and industrial use. To learn more about Hitachi air conditioning units or to speak with an industry specialist about finding your ideal climate control solution, please contact us at Aircon 24/7, where we will be happy to provide a personalized approach.